Hi everyone, I am Mom and I welcome you to my channel MomDas Life Handmade. On my channel, I love to share DIYs, a variety of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, and everything related to home within budget. Look around in my channel, and if you love the content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that little bell icon next to it and choose the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's video is part of a DIY challenge that is being hosted by Hedi Sonbul DIY. I'll put link to Hedi's channel in the description box of my video and also link to the challenge playlist for more ideas. This month's theme is Halloween and I am going to create a Halloween wreath. My Halloween wreath is modern, minimal, very elegant, sophisticated and sleek looking. I hope you will enjoy the process. So sit back and enjoy the video with some music. I really appreciate your presence here, your time and support. Thank you so much for it. spider. Here is my modern minimal Halloween wreath, complete with cobweb and spider, burnt black dark leaves, dark burnt copper ribbon, some dried branches with dried berries. The glamour touch comes with the metallic colors and the black and white monochrome against the wall. It's so modern, so sleek and beautiful. I hope you liked my today's DIY by Halloween decor in form of a wreath. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and put down your comments in the comment section below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel for more such DIYs. I'll see you soon in my next video, in my next DIY. Until then, stay positive, be creative and be happy.